Is frugality a dirty word to you, or does it sound like the key to unlocking financial freedom? If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or you want to save more without sacrificing your happiness, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into extreme frugal living tips that actually work, and no, they don't involve living off ramen noodles for the rest of your life. Let's get into it. Let's face it, frugal living can feel like an impossible goal in today's world. Everywhere you look, people are spending on the latest gadgets, trendy clothes, and luxury vacations. But what happens when you can't keep up with the Instagram lifestyle? Stress, financial strain, and the nagging feeling that you'll never escape the cycle of debt. But here's the harsh truth: if you don't take control of your spending, it will control you. The good news is, frugality doesn't have to be about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices that set you up for long-term success. So, how do you get started without feeling like you're giving up everything you love? Tip number 1. Master the art of buying second-hand. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, even garage sales, they're gold mines for high-quality items at a fraction of the cost. Think about it, you can get designer clothes, furniture, and even electronics for a tiny fraction of their original price. Do you really need to buy brand new? Spoiler alert, the answer is probably no. By getting creative and buying used, you'll save hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars a year. Tip number 2. Cook your meals at home. Eating out is one of the sneakiest ways to drain your wallet. A single dinner at a restaurant could cost as much as an entire week's worth of groceries. Cooking at home doesn't just save you money, it also gives you full control over your health and your waistline. And trust me, your bank account will thank you when you're spending $30 a week on meals instead of $30 per meal. Tip number 3. Leverage technology for savings. From apps that help you find the best deals, to budgeting apps that track every cent you spend, there's no excuse not to be on top of your finances in today's digital age. You can even automate savings so you're not tempted to spend the extra cash. Out of sight, out of mind, right? This is a powerful, modern twist on frugal living that will make your money work for you, even when you're not paying attention. Tip number 4. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. How many of you have subscriptions you don't even use? Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, and even food delivery apps, they add up. Be ruthless with what you're paying for monthly. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Or could that $50 a month be better spent on building your savings or investing in something that will grow your wealth? But here's the kicker. What if I told you there's one extreme frugal tip that could change your financial life forever, without sacrificing the things you love? Stay tuned, because this one is a game changer. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean living miserably, it's about living smart and setting yourself up for success. If you're ready to take control of your finances and build your wealth, hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful financial tips, and comment below, what's your favorite frugal living hack? Let's get smarter with our money together.